Welcome back, guys. It's Fabulous TT, and we're going live in my living room, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this outfit today since I look cute, period. But I got a 2 summer dress on. I got this from InStyle way back in the day. I think it was like $25 to $30. So I really like this dress because I'm a very colorful person, and it has the yellow, the orange, the light blue, and the lime green. And then I have my earrings. I got these from Shein, these lemonade earrings. These are the only earrings I can find to match this dress, but it fits me to a T, as y'all can see. But let's go ahead and get into the real video, which is the unboxing. This is why you guys are here. I'm starting to do unboxing traveling, so I'm going to add that to my video because, you know, Fabulous TT, we do makeup, beauty, and now traveling, and I do fashion. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So I had purchased something online, so I'm so excited it came today. Like, I literally ran out the door while I saw the mail lady bring it to me. So let's go ahead and show you what it is. So ta-da! So yeah, Magicbands. So I went ahead and purchased those about a couple weeks ago. Really don't know the date, but you know, I'm gonna need that in the future, whatever vacation I go on to use them. So I'm gonna show you what I got all in the box. So the first thing I got in the box is, like, you know, package slip. Basically, if I didn't like my Magicbands, or it didn't have my name spelled right, or it was the wrong color, I can ship it back to them. This is a plus, so make sure y'all look into this if your Magicbands are not what you wanted. So I got that, and then it came with some instructions on how to use the Magicband. This is like a little brochure. So basically, with Magicbands, you can use them at theme parks, hotels, the restaurants that you go to the theme park. You can actually have the pictures put on the Magicband, what I just found out by reading into the stuff. And that's like all pluses to me, because in 2021, the technology is growing. I mean, it is growing great. So I gotta be on my game with the new, period. So that's what that came in. I didn't get my luggage tag in my other cart because they're not doing that no more in the boxes of 2021. You have to go pick that up at whatever place you're staying at to get that. But you still get that option. So let me go ahead and take them out so y'all can see it up close and personal. So here they are. So of course, you know, I got the pink one, because, you know, pink is my favorite color. You can see my nails. They match my nails, honey. Okay, don't play with it. And then I got this pretty blue one. So I want to go ahead and take them out and show you how they look on me and how long they are, and, you know, how I'm going to wear it. So this is mine. It's the pale pink, or you could say light pink. This part right here is adjustable. You could just take this off if your wrist is like really small, like a kid's size wrist. I don't think I need to take mine off because I think my wrist is, I guess it's a little bit bigger. I still got small wrists, but I'm gonna keep it on because that's for kids and I'm an adult. So here's this one. Oh, I almost forgot. I said I was going to show you guys how I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear it on this wrist because my Apple Watch goes on this wrist. Or I might just wear it on this wrist. Just have 2 watches, which is not a watch. It's a Magicband, but it's going to be way up here because my Apple Watch goes down here. That's how I wear my Apple Watch, period. So And then this blue one is so pretty. It is looking lavender in the video, but I'm telling you guys, it is sky blue. And it's really nice. It got the little Mickey Mouse thing up here. I didn't show you on mine, but it has, let me just show you. It has it on mine too. So yeah, these are the Magicbands, and they are, I got them for $10 each because I got a great deal. So they normally cost between $10 to $30. So wherever you stay, you just have to get the deals, ask about the deals, period. But that's about it about the unboxing. I'm going to show the box one more time so you guys can see. So it has the Cinderella picture, which I think is dope, real pretty, and the background is blue, whatever. But yeah, I love it. Thank you so much. And I'm not going to throw the box away because it's so cute. And I want to keep my Magicbands in the box because I'm just bougie like that. That's why my name is Fabulous TT, period. So let me know if you guys want me to do more travel videos in the comments below, because I really want to, you know, start doing those too. And be on the lookout for the next video, because I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I gotta, you know, get my subscribers up. So tell your family members, your mom, dad, sister, cousin, your bro, your grandma, whoever. You can tell your cat, dog, whatever, but I'm just kidding. Insider. But go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And, you know, if you're trying to find my page on YouTube, it is Fabulous with 1 S, 2 Z's. And then TT is together. So you guys have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.